Welcome to all my dear students. Today we'll do mathematics NCERT book of class 7 lesson 1, that is integer exercise 1.4, question number 5. Question number 5 says the temperature of at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0 degree, above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees and below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So question, it is given that at 12 noon, temperature at 12 noon is given 10 degree above 0, that means plus 10 degrees C, and rate of fall of temperature, rate in decrease in temperature is 2 degree per hour. So it is asking at what time. At what time? First question is what time the temperature will be 0 degree below 8 degree below 0. मीन्स कहने का अर्थ है कि किस 12 बजे दोपहर में 12 नून दोपहर में टेम्परेचर था 10 डिग्री और 2 डिग्री पर आवर के रेट से मिडनाइट तक गिर रहा है. तो कह रहा है किस समय, एट वाट टाइम द टेम्परेचर विल बी -8 डिग्री. अभी ये यहाँ प्लस था -8, तो ये निकालना है कि टाइम. सो दिया हुआ है सॉल्यूशन, विल राइट गिवन टेम्परेचर at 12 noon is equal to 10 degree C. This is plus 10 degree C. Rate in decrease of temperature is equal to -2 degree C per hour, and final temperature is given -8 degree C. So what is the first we will find the fall in temperature. Therefore decrease in temperature, that is decrease, how much it is decreased. So it will, how much it is decreased, -8 degree C minus 10 degree C. From final temperature we subtract the initial temperature, that is -18 degree C, that is fall is this much. Therefore time taken is equal to temperature, decrease in temperature by rate, degree C per hour, that is it will take 9 hours to decrease from 10 degree centigrade to 8 degree -8 degree centigrade. So we have to find a time at which, so at 12 noon, therefore time will be 12 noon plus 9 hour, that is 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. the temperature will decrease up to -8 degree centigrade. Then the question second part is what would be the temperature at midnight. At midnight, what is the temperature at midnight? So total hour, first we will find total hour is equal to 12 noon to 12 noon, that is 12 hour. Therefore decrease in temperature is equal to 12 into 2 degree centigrade, 12 into 2 degree centigrade, that is 24 degree centigrade. Therefore final temperature at midnight is equal to 10 degree C minus 24 degree, that is -14 degree C. तो क्या करेंगे, पहले हम लोग निकालेंगे कि टोटल आवर कितना है. तो टोटल आवर फ्रॉम 12 नून टू 12 मिडनाइट 12 घंटा 12 आवर होगा. डिक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर 2 डिग्री पर आवर डिक्रीज कर रहा है, तो 12 इंटू 2 24 डिग्री सी. तो इनिशियल टेम्परेचर आपका 10 डिग्री था और फाइनल टेम्परेचर कितना होगा ये निकालना है. तो टेम्परेचर जो फॉल हुआ उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो फाइनल टेम्परेचर निकल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बताते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 says in a class test +3 marks are given for every correct answer. For every correct answer +3 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. That means for correct answer we are getting marks, and for incorrect answer we are marks is deducted by 2. So and no marks for not attempting any question. If we are not attempting any question, our marks is not given or it is 0. First part of the question says Radhika scored 20 marks. Marks scored by Radhika is 20. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? We have to find how many questions she has made mistake. So first what we will write, solution, marks for correct answer, marks for correct answer is equal to +3, marks for incorrect answer is equal to -2. Then we have marks scored by Radhika is equal to 20 marks. Number of correct answer is equal to 12. So marks scored in correct answer is equal to 12 into 3, that is 36. What we see, marks scored in 12 correct answer is 36 and she scored 20. That means there is decrease in marks. That means some questions she had made mistake. So therefore marks scored in incorrect answer is equal to total marks scored in this one correct answer minus final marks, that is minus 16 marks she has. Or if we are taking like this plus minus, we will take final marks minus correct answer marks, that is she has scored minus 16 marks in wrong answer. Therefore number of incorrect answer is equal to mark obtained by mark in each question, that is minus 16 divided by minus 2, that is 8 questions were wrong. Radhika made mistake in 8 questions. For next part, second part of the question number 6 is Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Marks obtained by Mohini is minus 5. Now she has got 7 correct answer. Number of correct answer is 7. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So what was given in the question, I have written it first. Marks given in each correct answer is equal to +3. Mark given in each incorrect answer is -2. Marks scored by Mohini is -5. Number of correct answer is 7. So if the number of correct question is 7, therefore mark obtained in correct answer, first you find that marks obtained in correct answer is equal to 7 into 3, that is 21. She got 21 marks in correct answer, but she is scoring -5. Therefore what is the mark obtained in incorrect answer? Therefore मार्क्स यानी हम लोग निकालेंगे कि इनकरेक्ट आंसर में कितना उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कितना उसको नेगेटिव मार्किंग हुआ वो निकालेंगे. मार्क ऑब्टेन्ड वो निकाल के उसका नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस निकाल देंगे. ऑब्टेन्ड इन इनकरेक्ट आंसर इज इक्वल टू फाइनल मार्क्स माइनस ये मार्क्स, तो ये हो जाएगा -26. देयरफॉर नंबर ऑफ incorrect answer is equal to mark obtained in correct answer by mark in each incorrect answer. Divide this one, it is 13 questions. She gave 13 wrong answers, so her marks was decreased to -5. So next question I am writing. Question number 7. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Question is that this is the ground level. This is 10 meter above ground. Elevator starts descending from here and goes minus 350 meter. That means minus 350 meter means it is saying that it is going 350 meter below the ground. So what will be the time taken? So what is given in the question? Given is the rate of descent, that is 6 meter per minute. Then total distance is given. Total distance is equal to 10 meter plus 350 meter, that is equal to 360 meter. Therefore time taken will be total distance by rate of descent. Total distance is 360 meter by 6 meter per minute, so that is equal to 60 minute or 1 hour. So it will take 1 hour to descend minus 350 meter. So this exercise is finished. Thanks for watching my video.